Hello friend, I am Marco and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I have come to Universal TVS. So now let's go inside and see how the facility is and what else you can get here as of now. You can already see lots of bikes are parked outside. So this is one side where all the scooters and bikes are being parked. So this is in front of the entrance. So now let's enter this showroom. The main showroom is located in first floor. It looks extremely spacious. It has lots of bikes, scooters, you can see, full of Ntorq. All the colors are available. Here it is the matte red, it's glossy red, and it's Wigo 110. All the bikes are here. There you can see Apache Artear 204V, spacious customer lounge. Here it is particularly for Apache 164V, 164V, 162V. There is Victor. Now let's go further and see what's there. So you can get the option of finance, insurance, sales at the same time. Different segment for cash and issues related to accounts. There is Moffat. So I must say that it's a very big showroom. So now I will going to review this Apache Artear 164V. This is red in color. So without wasting any more time, let's go straight and see the specifications of this bike in details. So starting from the front, we are getting tire that is 90/90/17 TVS Remora tire, and that is well accompanied by a beautifully looking front fender. Then it has this conventional telescopic fork and a protector or guard or a dust guard, you can tell it. Now we are getting Showa tuned monoshock, and it's adjustable up to 5 steps. Oil cooling system is here. So this bike is cooled by oil only, and there is some design that looks like ram air intake, but I think it is not. It's just a design, something like that. Now if you look at its front, then you are getting two DRLs, and then inside you are getting a Philips light that is 12 volt 35 watt, and there you are getting indicators, but unfortunately they are not LED. Then you can see this is a number plate holder. You can install the visor over here also. Now I will show you more about the dashboard of Apache Artear 164V. This is the FI engine, FI variant. So here you are getting this gear position indicator. Apart from that, you are getting clock, then tachometer. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. Then you are getting speedometer, then fuel gauge. After that, odometer. And apart from odometer, what else we are getting? We are getting trip 1, trip 2, lap timer, top speed recorder, and 0 to 60 sprint, that is shortest time to cover 0 to 60, and then again come back to Odo. So this was all about the digital dashboard of Apache Arctic 164V. Apart from that, we are getting left hand side indicator, then ignition signal, then ABS signal, then high beam signal. On the right hand side here we are getting neutral indicator, after that low fuel indicator, after that engine temperature indicator, and at last we are getting the right hand side turn signal indicator. So that is all about the dashboard of Apache Arctic 164V A5 variant. Now if we talk about its fuel tank, then the capacity of fuel tank is 12 liter, and the fuel mouth or this cap, it's extremely right hand side, it's not located in the center. And what TVS has done extremely good, that is the hinge system. In RTR 162V, if you insert the key, then that will come in your hand, the fuel cap will come in your hand, but I think it is a hinge type, so let's try it. Yes, it gives a feel of premium bike, it gives definitely a feel of premium bike. So it's a hinge type, as you can see. So instead of holding the key along with the cap, you can simply turn it right and then fuel it and then close it. So this fuel tank is made up of plastic, so it's not a metal like 162V or the older models. So here you can see a beautiful badging of TVS, that is a running horse over here. And this is a very good handlebar, comfortable riding posture handlebar. It's not a clip-on type, it's a round handlebar. So the advantage is that you can feed extra switches directly over here. You don't need any kind of modification to install the switch. And since it's a BS4 bike, so it doesn't have any headlight on off system. You can see this passage is completely blocked with some piece of plastic. Here we are getting self start button, here we are getting engine kill switch. In left hand side we are getting horn button, then indicator left and right. Apart from that, low beam, high beam, and at the end there is pass switch. So this is all about the switch console. Fit and finish of this switch console looks okay. Now let's talk about its engine. It's a 4-valve engine that produces 16.2 horsepower for the carbureted variant. So as you can see, this is a carbureted variant, and for the A5 version it produces 16.6 horsepower, and both comes at 8000 rpm. And if you talk about the torque, then it comes with 14.8 Newton meter of torque at 6500 rpm. It comes with kick as well as self both. Now let's talk about the safety feature of this bike. It comes with Super Moto ABS. This is just a name, but the main thing is that in layman term, it's a single channel ABS. The ABS is applicable in front wheel only, whereas the rear wheel is left without ABS. So in short, it's a single channel ABS model. So in 164V you will get 270 mm pedal disc at front, and at the back you will get 130 mm drum. Now I will show you the rear disc variant also. It is 200 mm pedal disc, and it comes with TVS Remora tire, and the specification of the tire, if you can see properly, it's 130/70/17. So you are getting very beautiful looking LED tail light. Along with that, the stop light is also LED. So you can see it's a full LED setup. Here you are getting some keyhole, so it's useful when you are removing the seat. This bike comes with reflector on its side also. At the same time it gets reflector at its tail end also. And very useful is this tire hugger. So this bike comes with tire hugger also, so that any traffic behind you don't be disturbed with the dust or mud coming off from your rear wheel while the bike is on move. And one very important and unique feature of this bike is that a double barrel silencer pipe. So this is also borrowed from 204B, its elder sibling. Now we will hear the sound of this exhaust. So it comes with engine guard, and this Hyper Edge is written over there, but this engine guard is a bit different from the one we get to see in 162V or 180 models. So this is a bit refreshed, and the look is also looking very good. And one important aspect of this bike is the ground clearance. You can see the ground clearance of this bike is also 180 millimeter. So I will say this is also best in its class, because apart from this 164V, no other 160cc segment gives you as much ground clearance as 180 millimeter. So mark my word, this is the best ground clearance you are having in a 160cc segment bike. It comes with single piece seat, and the seat is extremely cushioned. You won't believe how much cushion it is unless and until you ride this bike. So I must say that this bike is meant for long touring also, along with the pillion. So neither you nor your pillion will feel any trouble at their back. And it comes with this bat type grab rail. It also looks identical to that we found in RTR 200V. So it's looking very good, and it's purposeful also. It has given a gap where you need to grab, so it will protect this panel from getting scratched. So this gap was much appreciated and much needed. So that's a good thing TVS has provided in its 164V. So that is all about TVS Apache RTR 164V. You have already gone through all the specification of this bike. Now if you want to purchase this bike, you can contact directly to Universal TVS, and the contact number is appearing on screen right now. If you like my video, please don't forget to share it, put your comment, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified regarding my latest updates. Thank you.